Aloha, in this video we're going to do the Python count keywords assignment, and so I give you a dictionary here of keywords, of Python keywords, and your program is supposed to ask for a line of source code, something like this, and then display out the number of, for each of the keywords that it encounters, how many times, and add your name as a comment. All right, so let's do this in, I guess, Visual Studio. So let me open up Visual Studio. I'll create a new project. And Python application, next. And I'm going to name it count keywords. Great. All right, so to start out, I can copy this dictionary here right in at the top. Let me do that. Copy. And so up at the top here, we'll define main, and then define these keywords. There we go. Okay, and then let's ask for the string s equals input enter Python source code. Enter Python source code. And then we're going to want to split this into an array of words. So let me just call it words. Words equals s split on a spaces. And so let's keep track. We're going to use a dictionary that has an element for each keyword, and it's going to keep track of the count of the counts of each one. So let's initialize the dictionary. It's like that. And then for each word in words, for each word in words, if word is in keywords, if that's true, then we want to increment the counter for that word. And so that is a dictionary of word incremented by 1. Now the problem is that it's possible that we'll get an error, because if dictionary of word does not exist, this might not work. But let's see if it does. Let's see if this works. If not, it's easy to fix. Okay, so that's really much all we do. When we're done, we want to just print the dictionary. print our dictionary. And great, main. Let's try this and see what happens. All right, I'm going to enter this. Copy. Paste. Ah, yes. If. Well, it says if. If word in keywords. Keywords. Well, I think the reason is because the first time this hits, if. I wonder, it's because if. Ah, that's the problem. Okay, well, anyway, first I need to do, if word is in the dictionary already, if word is in the dictionary already, then we can just increment it. Otherwise, we need to set equal to 1. Okay, there we go. Yes. We can stop this. Okay, oops, okay. Here we go. All right, let's try to run this again. Can I just do paste? Yes, enter. If, hold a second. If is 3, let me put this down. If is 3, while is 2, for is 2, and else is 1. Okay, that's right. Now, can we display it out this way? Let's see. That would be more something like, let's stop this. Stop debugging. We'll probably do something like, for word in dictionary. Print word colon dictionary word. Let's see, and we will not do this. Start. Yes, all right. Very good. Okay, so to hand this in, we save everything, save all, and then we close, we exit, and we find our folder. Let's see, it was called count keywords. Oops. And inside it looks like this, count keywords. We look inside here, it looks like it's open using Notepad Plus. It's like this, keywords. Yes, that's what it is. And so let's go out one. We right click and send to compressed. And we end up with this. And then we browse and find count keywords, this, open, and submit. And there we go. All right. Thanks for watching.